For the Catalina and Santa Barbara.
More cities in China are on lockdown.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the government of Puerto Rico. The governor of Puerto Rico, Wanda Vazquez Garced, has issued a curfew for all Puerto Rico starting at 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. There is currently a curfew in place at this time until 5 a.m. The curfew restriction hours are, from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., it is only allowed exits to go to services and shops accepted in the executive order, supermarkets, pharmacies, banks, gas stations, medical services, elderly care centers, and restaurants with drive-through or carry-out delivery. From 9 p.m. to 5 a.m., nobody is allowed to be on the streets except for essential services or extremely severe emergency situations. If you violate curfew hours, you will face penalty of 6 months in jail or a fine of $5,000. The curfew is valid starting today until March 30th.